Before now, people used to think that this kind of beautiful rivers are only found in Miami or somewhere in Europe. But no, this particular river is somewhere in Africa, somewhere in Nigeria, somewhere in Igbo land, somewhere in Anambra State. Today, I've come to show you guys once again how Africa is so blessed, how Nigeria is so blessed, how Igbo land is so blessed. Hello guys, welcome to another one. This is Urbanized Media. Guys, today I brought you guys to a new discovery I just made here in town. This place is Nnewi Anambra State. You all know Nnewi to be a commercial and industrial city, but guess what? There are so many places, so many things in Nnewi that not many people know about. Nnewi is endowed with so many tourist destinations, and today we have come to explore one of them. So this place we are in now is Obo River. This is located in Otolo, Nnewi Anambra State, and this river is sacred. There are so many do's and don'ts. If you look at my back now, you can see some things written on the signpost, things to do and things not to do. I'll capture it in the picture and paste it there so that you guys will see it. So we have come to explore this river now, show you this beautiful nature, you know. And I came with my friend. My friend, she has run away. I don't know why she ran away. Okay, the sun. So let's go down to the river and let me show you guys this beauty. Subscribe to my channel, follow my pages, and let's go. So we are going down the river now. This is my friend. Say hi to my viewers now.
You're using that camera.
Hey, still say hi. They can hear you now.
Hello.
Yeah, she's saying hi to you guys, but she doesn't want her face to show.
No, why are you talking like that?
Okay, this is her beautiful face. See?
Try to subscribe to his channel.
Yeah, and she's a YouTuber too, but she's still trying to, find her niche. You're a paint producer, you're also a YouTuber.
Yes.
You can teach them how to produce paint on YouTube.
Yes, I have my paint production
channel.
YouTube channel, yes.
So what's the channel? Go and subscribe to your channel.
Beyond Vast Paint and Painting Service.
Okay.
On YouTube.
I'm going to put it on the screen so that you guys will go and subscribe to her channel.
Yeah, for those people that are interested in making paint, learn how to produce paint, and those people that need paint or painting service. Yeah.
So guys, this is the environment of the river. See how amazing this place is. You can see the color of the river, more like a green color, very pure, no impurities at all. If you look closer, you see the fish is there. This is a perfect tourist destination that needs to be developed. Let me get closer to the river and show you guys. So guys, I'm showing you people both the ground view and the aerial view in this video. First of all, let me show you guys the ground view before I show the breathtaking aerial views. Stay tuned to this video. Big and small ones.
So they can actually touch this fish. Can you catch any one of them? No, you can catch and you still leave it now. Not kill you. No, you can't catch it. Go and catch it. They will not agree. How can you catch them? No, go and catch.
So the people we met here are saying that you don't have to catch the fishes inside this river, talk less of killing them.
Hey, look at.
It is prohibited to kill these fishes inside this river. So down there is my friend. She's trying to get closer view of the river, but she's afraid to step closer because we heard the sound of a crocodile. Immediately we came down to this river, so she has been afraid all this while. And standing by me is Agui Kemba, our tour guide that has been doing amazing jobs, taking us around, showing us beautiful things that we don't even know that exist here in Nnewi. Kudos to Agui Kemba. There are histories and story behind this river, which I'm going to tell you guys in my next video of this river, the part 2 video. But for this part 1, just enjoy these beautiful views.